Hi, welcome back to Speak Chinese with Jojo. I'm Jojo. In this series video, we try to compare with 要, 想, xiǎngyào in Chinese and try to use them in our real life. Okay, let's start. Both 要 and 想 can express want, but they are used in slightly different ways, such as 想 means to miss, when followed by a noun, and 要 also mean going to do. Let's see 要 and 想 as to want in use. Subject is followed 要 followed noun can be by something. 你要西瓜吗? Do you want a watermelon? 你要西瓜吗? 你要这件大衣吗? Do you want to this coat? 你要这件大衣吗? It's also helpful to image a demanding child using this pattern to get stuff from his parents. This pattern can be rude, but it's not as inherently rude as it may seem when translated directly in English. For example, 我要一只小狗. I want a puppy. In this case, the kid forced the parents to get a puppy for him with crying or a rude action. 我要一只小狗. Can you try to imagine the situation? You can see a lot of kids do it in our life. Okay, here is a simple dialogue to know usage of 要 in question and answer. This dialogue often happened in the restaurant when we ordered food. The question, 你们要不要鸡蛋炒饭? The answer, 谢谢，我们不要. Does everyone want fried rice with eggs? Thank you, we don't need anything. Okay, let me explain a little bit. Some people will carelessly ask others in restaurant, 你要饭吗? Or 你要不要饭? We both understand and nobody really care about the way that someone's speaking. Actually, most situation we can say, 你要一碗米饭吗? Or 你要吃米饭吗? Instead of 你要饭 or 你是要饭吗? Why we try to avoid 你要饭吗? Or 你是要饭吗? Because in old China, of implied expression, some people called beggar or homeless like 要饭的, 要饭的. It was very rude and prejudiced expression. 要饭吗 sounds like 要饭的. So try to avoid the way 你要饭吗 or 你是要饭吗 when ask other people if you want to eat rice. Okay, let's back to our example. You can use the better way to ask people, 你们要不要吃鸡蛋炒饭? 你们要不要吃鸡蛋炒饭? You can answer, 谢谢，我们不要。谢谢，我们不要。
要最后一碗吗？要。
不必了吧？
那就不必了吧。
Okay, let's see 想 to miss. Subject is followed by 想 followed by noun, like 我想你 I miss you. 我很想我的家人 I miss my family very much. 我很想我的家人 Let's see this simple dialogue. 你们回英国以后会想四川菜吗? Will you all miss local Sichuan food after you go back to the UK? 我想我们会想的。我想我们会想的。Yes, I think we will miss it. Do you think the first 想 and second 想 are same meaning? You are right. 你说对了 not same meaning. The first 想 in this answer means to think. The second 想 means to miss. 你学会了吗? In this video, we practice together 想 and 要 followed by noun in our daily life. Next video, we will compare with 想 and 想要 followed by verb. And we will practice 想要 in the real life. See you then.